In this video, I would love to show you our newest product for the Divi theme, a child theme called Identity. I will explain how to install and customize it so that you can see how easily and how quickly you can build a one-page WordPress website using the Divi theme and Identity. Hello, my name is Anya and my goal here is to help you build beautiful websites, and this might just be the perfect way to do that, because if you are a WordPress user and if you've been working with the Divi theme, you may already know that using a premium Divi child theme can save you hours of time and really speed up your workflow. So before I get to technical details, I would love to show you how our newest child theme for Divi Identity looks. So first, let's take a look at the demo page. So Identity was designed for small brochure type single page websites. We are using freelancer portfolio as an example here. I would invite you to scroll through the demo page yourself, but there are a few things that I do want you to know about this child theme. And first, mobile responsiveness. So every section you see here has been optimized for phones and tablets, so you don't really need to worry about what the website will look on smaller screens. You can just replace the content, the text with your own and be sure that it will look great on mobile. You can test it yourself by previewing our demo page on your device. Now, the desktop navigation is where that project really shines, because when we are working on one-page websites, links in the navigation link to the certain sections on that one page, and normally there is no way to indicate that current menu item that it's active. So here I've included that subtle hover effect and also this little highlighted indicator, a little UX improvement that shows the current section that you see on the screen. So as you scroll the page, the corresponding element gets highlighted in your menu as well. Now, every section in our demo page comes with both light and dark version. We have 3 different home pages to show that. You can either stick to one, and if that matches your branding, or you could mix the light and dark sections together, just as we shown here on the agency homepage demo. In addition to regular single page elements that you may want to include, I also made sure that additional pages such as single blog page, let me show you, single blog post layout is also included, both light and dark version, so your blog can look really nice out of the box. We have this nice pre-styled comment section, and the same goes for your projects. So project page layout, also in both light and dark version, is available, so you can quickly build these additional pages that one-page website may need. And also for category pages, so blog categories and portfolio project categories also have nice pre-styled design that you can quickly use. So a quick look, and let's look at the dark version. Again, both come with 2 different styles. So we have nice looking portfolio categories as well. Now, there is a few pre-styled elements that I've included here. We have a nice typing effect in the hero section, various little hover effects, including this fun button mouse aware hover style. We have a timeline section, nice portfolio grid, little animated logos row, text modules with different styling for like labels and checklists. Basically, a lot of little details that help create that polished look. Now, the best part about this child theme is something you can't see on the demo page, is how easy it is to install and edit all the content here. And before I show you how we can install it and customize it, let me show you our documentation page, because everything that I'll be showing you is also included here inside our identity documentation. If you prefer written instructions, you can navigate to this page and you will find exactly what I'll be showing you in a moment. Okay, so this is a simple empty Divi website, freshly installed WordPress site with Divi theme activated. Now let's go to the dashboard, and in Appearance, Themes, I'm going to install identity. So clicking Add New Theme, then Upload Theme, and here you want to locate that file, identity zip file on your computer. So I can drag it right here, and I will choose Install now. It may take a minute to install. Now we want to activate it. And the next step after the child theme is activated is to connect the API key, and that only applies if you purchase it directly on our Divi Lover website. If the child theme was purchased through Elegance Themes Marketplace, there's no need for that API activation because it's connected with your main Divi theme API key. So to activate the API key, we either need to click here or go to Settings, Identity Activation. I will paste my API key. You can find it in your account page on the Divi Lover website. And once the activation is completed, you will see this green notice here. And now we can go ahead and import the demo content. And it's right here behind me under Identity Demo Import. It's probably best to keep all this selected. I will go ahead and choose Import Demo Content. And now it can take a minute or two. It will create all the pages exactly as are shown on the demo page. It will also import all the layouts in your Divi library, because each section that you see on the demo page, each page layout in dark and light version, has been saved in the Divi library so that you can easily access it when building the page. Basically pick and choose the section as you go from the library. So once the import process is completed, you will see the successfully imported message. But there's one more step because it's very likely that not all theme builder templates assignments are going to be 100% accurate. So you want to navigate to the theme builder either by clicking this link or just going Divi and Theme Builder here. And you see that if the assignment is in red font, that means it's not currently assigned to anything, that template here. So here we want to assign these three templates to homepage light, dark, and a homepage agency. Different layouts are used because these pages on the demo page use different header section, and the homepage dark also uses different footer, the dark footer version. So here, specific pages, homepage light, this one, specific page, homepage dark, and this one right here would be assigned to homepage agency. It doesn't really matter so much because you do want to replace these home pages with your own, and then you can choose which one you use, choose which header and which footer layout you're sticking with, and then assign your templates accordingly. But just to replicate the starting point, the demo version, these assignments are required. I will leave out the all posts dark version layout because it's either one or the other. If you're using the body template for your single posts, you would want to choose which one you use, or maybe choose different categories, like posts in specific category will have dark layout, or in different category light layout. Basically that layout, that template is here in the theme builder for you to use. But these 3 assignments will help us see the homepage better. And now if I choose to visit the site, I will already see a customized, the same exact version of my site as shown on the demo page. Now, you do want to make it your own, right? So there are 2 areas that you would want to look at first. So first, back in the dashboard in Divi theme options, you will see additional tab here, identity, and here we have 2 different sub tabs that we can edit. We have a colors tab where I listed 5 different shades of colors that the child theme uses, and you have to think of it as a base for your project. I wouldn't recommend going too crazy in that new color scheme. So when we have dark color 1 and 2, lighter and darker shade, I would stick to really dark color. You will be able to further edit your colors in the builder just like you normally would, but starting with a nice base will help you maintain like nice clean look for your site. So let's choose a different colors here. So I have a few colors already picked out. I would want to use like this bluish theme, and you see this kind of is in a like blue shade, but very washed out, barely like tinted black really, with just a little blue yes, tint, I guess. So darker shade should match the lighter shade. And now for the light color, so this lighter shade of the light color will be the main background color behind most of the sections. So you do want to really keep it light, maybe not fully white, just like a off-white color, either warm or cool, whatever matches your brand, but keeping it light is probably best. And you can customize it later as needed, but starting with a nice base is probably a very good idea. Okay, and lastly, I have again chosen color that matches that lighter shade, and then for the accent color I do have like this green blue color chosen here. So once I save the changes, I could use the same ones in the second tab we have here, preloader. So you can choose your global preloader animation type, change the size, and then change the background of the preloader, and maybe use the same colors that you're using, or just choose different one, whichever works for you. But let's go with the new color scheme here. Now if I save the changes and view my page, every section will be automatically updated. So every piece of content here is using these new colors. It's really fun to play with actually, and you can like I said, have this nice looking base. Once you enable the builder, just to quickly show you, you will be able to edit these colors just like you normally would when working with the Divi theme. So let's say I would want to edit the background behind that hero section. I could just pick a different color, obviously not this one, but something lighter, whatever you need, you can choose in the builder. So like I said, these global colors are the base, and then you can go from there. The second part of the global settings you would want to adjust are your fonts, and this is probably best done in the theme customizer, although I think it's possible through the builder now as well. But let's go to the theme customizer, and let me show you here in the general settings, typography. You would want to choose a different header font and different body font. Okay, so let's do that. flavor display for my header, and maybe Source Sans Pro, if I can find it. For my fonts. You don't necessarily need to trust the preview here in the theme customizer 100%. It's best to publish your change and then go outside and actually view the page on the front end. And now all the fonts should use the newly, actually let's exit the builder too. All the fonts are now using newly chosen fonts in newly chosen colors. So yes, I hope that kind of shows you how quickly you can really make it your own. So I hope this was helpful. I would love to hear your thoughts about identity, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.